Hi, in this example we will showcase how we can use the data binding feature. For that I will use the sensor getCurrentWeather. That sensor is based on the OpenWeather API, and this is what we can see here. It will take as the input argument the city, and we also need an API key. API key we have already, prior to this example, put in our vault, and we can use the data binding already to basically use this straight in our as an input argument. This is how we do it. We will take the OpenWeather API key. It's going to be injected by the engine into the as input argument to our sensor. And basically, as soon as we test that, we can see the temperature, pressure, and other information which is coming from the OpenWeather API. And what we would like to do now is to take some of this information and use it later on for some other sensors. For this example, I will take a conditional sensor, and what I will do now is to check whether the temperature in London is above 15 degrees. In order to do that, what I need to do is now to, for the task context, find that temperature which is stored in our raw data object, which is this thing here, and then test that if it's above, let's say, 15 degrees. And that's all what we had to do. I will start this task every 5 seconds. And what we'll see now is that it will fetch data from the weather forecast. It will check it against the condition which is here 15 degrees. And hence we see that now indeed that condition is not satisfied. If I had put here, let's say 1 degrees, obviously then the condition would be true, which we see here. So that was the first example. Now, if we wanted to use multiple of these, for instance, if we wanted to check the condition by looking at the weather in Paris and London, for instance, I will take another sensor similar to this one, and then I will execute that one after we got information from London. In this case, I will check Paris, and we'll do the same thing. We will go for a vault. We will go for the OpenWeather API key, and this time what I'm going to do now is that in this condition I will check whether the temperature in London, which is in the current number 1, that's this one, it's higher, which is very unlikely, than the temperature in Paris. And this time I'm going to take the temperature here, and that's all we had to do. And as you see now, indeed, the temperature in Paris is higher than in London.